Descale. Descale the machine when the message Descale flashes on the display. Turn the machine on. Press the Menu ESC button to enter the menu. Press the hot milk or latte button until Descale is displayed. Select by pressing the OK button. Descale Confirm is displayed. Press again OK button to enable the function. The message Add Descaler is displayed, alternating with Empty Drip Tray. Completely empty the water tank and remove the water softener filter if present. Empty the drip tray and grounds container, then put back in the appliance. Pour the descaler into the tank up to the level A marked on the side of the tank. Then add water 1 litre up to level B. Replace the water tank. Place an empty container with a minimum capacity of 1.5 litres under the hot water spout. Press the OK button to confirm introduction of the solution. The message Descale underway is displayed. The descaling program starts and the descaler liquid comes out of the water spout. The Descale program automatically performs a series of rinses and pauses to remove limescale deposits from the inside of the machine. After about 30 minutes, the message Fill Tank is displayed. The appliance is now ready for rinsing through with clean water. Remove the water tank, empty, rinse under running water, fill with clean water and replace. Rinsing Confirm is displayed. Empty the container used to collect the descaler solution and replace it empty under the hot water spout. Press the button to start rinsing. Hot water flows out of the spout and the message Rinsing is displayed. When the water tank is completely empty, Rinsing Complete Confirm is displayed. Press the button. Fill the water tank again and the appliance is ready for use.